In this video, I'll be reviewing the AIXUN T3A soldering station. This iron claims to have a mind-blowing 200 watts of power, resulting in very fast heat times, getting up to temperature in only a matter of a couple of seconds. With this kind of power at hand, you're able to do some pretty stupid stuff, such as solder copper water pipe fittings that would normally be soldered using an acetylene torch. And not that I'd recommend soldering heavy 2AWG cable to terminal lugs, but with this kind of power, anything is a breeze. But the T3A is not just limited to big jobs. It's also perfectly suited for small precision jobs, such as PCB assembly and soldering fiddly SMD components. Temperature accuracy is also very good. After calibrating my unit, the accuracy between the most commonly used temperatures at 300 to 400 degrees Celsius averaged out to be 1.3% accuracy. If you opt for the T245 handpiece, there is no hiding the fact the T3A took design inspiration from JBC. This gives you the option of using genuine JBC tips in your T3A if you're so inclined. The question on my mind is, how does the performance stack up against a genuine JBC station, which costs more than 3 times the price? Spoiler alert, it's amazing.